Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Philips Fidelio L4 with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and now go to Bluetooth. After that, you should press and hold power button. If this is your first connection, you should just turn on it. And if this is your second connection, just press and hold it for 5 seconds until these lights start blinking white and blue. So this is my first connection, so I'm only turn on it, and now it automatically entered to pairing mode because it haven't no more connection. So now I should see it at the device list. Click on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!